Follow the easy step on how to make editable gradient text in Adobe Illustrator. First, create a new document. Make a rectangle for the background. Fill color. Click Text tool and set the font. Now, go to Window and activate Appearance panel. Also prepare the Gradient panel. Select the text and change to colorless. And then, click Add New Fill. Click Gradient and change the color. Press G if you want to edit manually. And press V to close editing. If you want to edit text, double-click and type new text. Finish. OK. Support this channel by clicking like and leaving your best comments. Activate the notification bell to get the latest updates from this channel. Thank you.